You think chucking a lobster on the barbie is easy? Think again. It takes finesse, passion, and a really good recipe to make these crustaceans sing. I'm diving deep into the world of grilled lobster, exploring 4 recipes that'll have you shouting delicious from the rooftops. We'll be tackling everything from the classics to the downright adventurous, so buckle up and get ready to conquer the grill like a true culinary expert. Number 1. Grilled to perfection. Let's kick things off with the OG, the Don, the godfather of grilled lobster, the classic grilled lobster tail. We're talking simple, elegant, and bursting with flavor. Now this ain't rocket science, but you need to treat these tails with respect. First, we will butterfly them. Don't even think about skipping this step. You want that beautiful meat exposed to the flames. Next, a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Keep it simple. You want the lobster to shine. Now onto the grill. We're looking for medium-high heat. You don't want to incinerate the poor bugger. Keep a close eye, a few minutes on each side, and you're looking for that gorgeous pink hue. Don't overcook it. You want it tender and juicy, not rubbery and tough. Serve it up with a squeeze of lemon and some melted butter, and you've got yourself a dish that's worthy of a Michelin star. Well, maybe not a star, but definitely worthy of a satisfied belly. Now we're diving into the trendy stuff, the lobster dishes that are all the rage on the internet. You know the ones with their fancy ingredients and their Instagram-worthy plating. But let me tell you, most of these recipes are an understatement to the noble lobster. They're drowning the poor creature in sauces and spices, masking its natural brilliance. We're going to tackle one of these trendy recipes, but we're going to do it right. We'll take inspiration from the latest culinary fad, but we're going to strip it back, focus on the lobster, and elevate it to new heights. This is about respecting the ingredients and a dose of innovation. We'll use fresh herbs, a touch of citrus, maybe a hint of chili for a kick. But the lobster will be the star of the show, cooked to perfection on the grill. Remember, trends come and go, but a perfectly grilled lobster is timeless. Number 3. Grilled lobster tails, stelline and lemon. Right, here is the deal. Listen up because we're about to tackle a dish so good, it'll make you want to sing your best song. In a good way, of course. Grilled lobster tails, stelline and lemon. This ain't your nan's pasta night, alright? We're talking fresh lobster, cooked to perfection on the grill, paired with a delicate star-shaped pasta called stelline. And the lemon, it's like sunshine in a bottle, brightening up the whole bloody dish. First, you gotta grill those lobster tails, nice and hot. Don't overcook them. We want them tender and juicy, not rubbery and tough. While that's happening, get your pasta going, stelline it's called. Tiny little stars, perfect for soaking up all that delicious lobster flavor. Once the pasta's done, toss it with some olive oil, garlic, chili flakes for a kick, and a good squeeze of lemon juice. Now, for the grand finale, lay those beautiful grilled lobster tails on top of your pasta. Garnish with some parsley because even a dish this good can use a bit of greenery. There you have it. Grilled lobster tails, stelline and lemon. It's a symphony of flavors, a culinary masterpiece. You can thank me later. Number 4. Exotic spiced grilled lobster. Alright, you heard it right. Get ready for a culinary adventure that'll take your taste buds on a wild ride. Exotic spiced grilled lobster. This ain't your average backyard barbecue. We're talking bold flavors, exotic spices, and a lobster that's hotter than my temper after a disastrous service. We're going to spice things up with a blend of cumin, coriander, turmeric, and smoked paprika. This ain't for the faint of heart, but trust me, the flavor payoff is worth it. Get those lobster tails marinated in this spice blend, at least an hour, or you'll be serving up flavorless meal. Then, fire up the grill. We want high heat to get those tails nice and charred on the outside, while keeping them juicy and tender on the inside. While the lobster's grilling, whip up a quick dipping sauce. Something cool and creamy to balance out the heat. Think mango chutney, maybe a bit of Greek yogurt, a squeeze of lime, and a pinch of chili flakes for good measure. Now, get those grilled lobster tails off the fire and onto a plate. Spoon over that delicious dipping sauce and garnish with some cilantro for a touch of freshness. There you have it, exotic spiced grilled lobster. It's a flavor explosion, a culinary adventure, and it's really delicious. Well, there you have it. 4 fantastic lobster recipes that'll make you the envy of every seafood lover. From the classic grilled perfection to the exotic spice bomb, we've covered it all. Go on, give these recipes a try and let me know how you get on. Just be careful not to overcook the lobster and end up with a rubbery mess. Remember, the key to a good lobster dish is to treat it with respect, cook it with passion, and serve it with a side of laughter. You're welcome. For more food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.